It's getting cold in here. I think we should make a snowman. Take a command, elf action!
Start by pumping up your black balloon and tie a knot. Now pump up your white 5-inch balloon. Now tie your knot as close to the nozzle as possible and make sure your balloon is soft. Tie the two balloons together. Now using the black balloon, make a loop twist for the top of the hat. Now make a 2 centimeter spacer bubble, a pinch twist, and another loop twist around the top of the hat, and tie it to the pinch twist. You can now cut off the rest of your black balloon and tie a knot. Now pump up your blue balloon for the scarf, or you can use whatever color you like, and tie a knot. Make an 8 centimeter bubble, a pinch twist. Now squeeze your white 5-inch balloon until you have 2 sections, the head and the body. Now using the scarf, make a loop twist around the neck to lock in the shape of the head. Leave around a 20 centimeter bubble, or however long you want, for the rest of the scarf, and tie a knot. And the twisting part is done. Now use an orange marker to draw in a carrot for its nose. Use black to draw in eyes and a mouth, and buttons along the body. Use blue to color in the eyes and red to color in the buttons. And your snowman is complete.
Wow, snowman came to join the party. I think we should put him here. If you like my channel, please comment, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.